Christmas is in the air, guys, and it's a time of giving. And in today's video, I'm going to show you some wonderful gift ideas for the gardeners and plant enthusiasts in your life. We'll also show you some of them being used. And if this is your first time here, my name is Marlene. Welcome to Marlene's How To's, my home and garden channel. Welcome, welcome, everyone. So the first item that we're going to be looking at is our lead pot hydroponics indoor growth system. And this is perfect for growing herbs, lettuce, tomatoes, small fruits and veggies inside the house. And this is especially important during the winter months. And I'm going to be doing an unboxing video in the near future for you so you can see exactly how it works. And this can actually be controlled by your smartphone. The grow lights that are on there. So it's going to be able to do that for them. So I know that your green thumbs will love this. Next, we have our mini electric chainsaw. And we absolutely love this one. You can tell. So what we did was to use it on the trees around the back of our yard. And this is really for trees that are up to 4 inches in diameter. So not for large trees, but for small and sometimes mid-sized trees. And you can see how cleanly it went through there very quickly. And it is so lightweight, so anyone can use it. And we even had it cut larger trees, but just to show you by scale how it worked. One clean cut and it went right on through. And just to show you what's actually inside here, you can see they had the mini chainsaw itself right there and all the other items. Over here we have 2 batteries that are there, which I thought was really nice. Of course, you have the manual. There are some work gloves in there as well, oil, tools. We also had the charger cord, 2 extra chainsaws, and even a pair of goggles. So that video is available. I'm going to be putting out at the end of this video my product playlist, and this is one of the videos that you're going to be able to see on there, a step-by-step of us unboxing and using it on those little trees. Next, we have the grandpa wheel. This was another favorite here as well. We absolutely love this one. Our kids got it for my husband for Father's Day. And we just could not stop using it because we do have some weeds from time to time. And so it's so easy on your back from, that's what we discovered for ourselves. And you can see him using it here. You basically just pull it down like that and then put it over the weed. And you have different types of weed. You can use broadleaf weeds like these, crabgrass, many different types. And the video that we did, which is also going to be in the product review playlist, will show you step by step on all the different weed types that we used this to pull them out. And you can see how it's coming up here because this plant has a pretty long taproot. You can see it right there. And it went in and it took it out. So again, this video is also available for you to peruse on that list. Next, we have here plants, the plant category. These are some beautiful philodendrons right here. And it's easy to care for. And there's so many different types of flowers that they can choose from. But over here, you'll see the Christmas flowers, which typically come out at that time of year. These are some amaryllis flowers and some paper whites. And these actually grow from bulbs and they bloom in the winter season. I just love the colors of Christmas. You can see different colors that they have there for the amaryllis. And the good thing about them is, they give you the kit, it comes with it, and then you follow the instructions and it blooms, for you. And then when it blooms, then you can always repot them at a later time. They can grow outside, at different seasons of the year. So I just absolutely love them. And I know that the plant enthusiasts in your life will love it too. And you can see the price is pretty reasonable. These were available at our Home Depot, but I'm sure that you can find them. And I'll put some links below too for you can get some of these products. Of course, poinsettias are always a must-have for our green thumbs for the beautiful season of Christmas. They come in different sizes. Some of them have different colors, different patterns. So I definitely would recommend that as well. So many of you have asked how you can give back to and support my channel. And there are different ways that you can do it. The first is if you are able to, full watch the video and give me a thumbs up, as well as leave me a sweet comment. You can also share the video with those that like gardening and plant-related topics. Also, wherever you see the $ on my videos, you are able to do super chats and super thanks. And last but not least, there is a channel membership that's going to be coming out shortly. And you'll see the little button that says join on there. And for way less than a cup of coffee each month, you can also, participate in that way. So thank you for those of you who have contributed so far to my channel. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the other items that we have today. So here now we have our Saker, and this one is the cordless hedge trimmer. Another one here again, guys, and there's a manual that comes in there. And this one was also pretty lightweight, so we liked it. You can see the battery comes in here. We also had the unboxing video for that as well. You can see the charger cord right there. And of course, right here, you can see how small it is. This is actually the hedge trimmer, and it also has a grass trimmer on the end of it as well, too. So I thought that was pretty nice that we had a 2-in-1 there. And over here, you can see my husband using it. And this really is more for like smaller areas. Like, say they have a small flower bed or, you know, a little area by the townhouse entrance or something like that. Then you can just use it to clean up the grass edges, and it looks so neat. We really liked it. And of course, you also have the actual hedge trimmer itself. That's for the hedges. And, you know, it's rechargeable, of course. And let me show you how it worked for us here. So over here, you can see that we were using it. What I would say, though, is this is not for like hedges that have like a lot of thick wood on there. It just wants something to be lightweight, and that's what this one is for. So if that's what your green thumb has, this is perfect for them. Next, we have this beautiful market tote. Can you tell that I love this one? Oh my goodness. I just like the clean look. You know, I like the texture of the fabric. It's very durable, but very attractive. And the handles, I love them too. You can see it says market tote right there. And it's so versatile. You can use it for whatever you like that fits in there in the garden. You can put fruits in there if you're harvesting fruits or vegetables like tomatoes or whatever. There are different pockets right there. It can be used as a tool bag as well. So seeds can go in there. You know, different tools like this pruner right here. And I love this one. I'll link this in the description box below for you. You can get it on Amazon. I love that it has that safety lock right there. You can see similar types from that as well too. And it's pretty sharp, and I like that because I think pruners need to be clean and sharp when you're using them. Of course, trowels are also another good idea to stuff in a bag like this, but just different types of tools and gloves and things like that. And to show you how it fits into the side, it has a fair amount of depth to it there. So you just stick it in, and they'll carry it around, and it's just really, really nice. So I absolutely love it. And just to pause to say that if you like gardening and flowers even half as much as I do, be sure to hit the subscribe button and tap on the notification bell so you can follow along and get all the topics, all the tips that I have for you. And we have some really nice things coming up for the holidays too, so be sure to stay tuned for that. Next, we have this right here. This is our Ninja. And this again is for, you know, like when they're harvesting, you know, like whether it could be berries, it could be different types of fruits, you know, tomatoes, things like that. It shows you can make you know, like drinks, you can make salsa, you can make, you know, just different spreads and things like that fresh from the garden. Because, you know, garden to table has become more popular in terms of, you know, gardeners eating what they grow, not just flowers, because I do both on my channel. Next, we have a dehydrator here, and it's the same thing again, you know, garden to table where you know, there are fruits that you would want to dehydrate if you grow them, different things. It can be herbs, of course, as well too, because, you know, they last longer when you dry them and store them that way. And of course, even if it's one that they buy in the store, you know, they can use this that way as well too. But so many things can be used, like apples, you know, pears, so many different things, orange slices, all of that. So we're going to go ahead now and take a look inside. You know, you have your manual on here as well. And this is called Ambiano. That's the brand that's right here. So of course you can buy whatever brand is available. It doesn't have to be this one. I'm just giving you ideas for what you can use for the green thumbs in your life. So it gives you all the details right there. And of course, if you're liking this video so far, be sure to give me a thumbs up and share it out with those that you think may want to get ideas for the green thumbs. And of course, you can gift yourself as well too. There is nothing wrong with that. So let's take a look and see how it looks under the plastic right here. You have the on and off button right there. And you have the other ones that control the temperature for how warm you want to make it. And you set it, and of course the time as well. And the different racks are there for the things to be placed on there to be dried. Of course, it takes hours because it's being dehydrated slowly, and that's what makes it a really good process. So I would definitely say something worth trying if it's, you know, you think it's something that they might like. And that would be our dehydrator, and you can see that it gives the details on here, which is really good. It tells you how many hours, whatever it is that you're doing, how long it's going to take. So that's very good. Next here we have bird feeders, and of course bird feeders come in so many different sizes. They can range anywhere from like $15 to $100 depending on how fancy they are. And I love this one. And of course, if you're giving, like a bird feeder, it's not a bad idea to put some seeds as well, a little package of seeds so they can have that to fill it in right away. And bird seeds, we typically think of them, feeders in the springtime and summer, but of course it's important too in the winter when it's cold and the birds need a little bit more food supply. And speaking of cold, this right here is our winter protection greenhouse, and it's actually 5.25 feet in width by 5.25 feet in length, and the height is 5.9 feet. So I think that's a really good height. It's actually a little bit taller than me, so I think that is awesome. So it's perfect to be used in the winter months or even early spring, which is what I think I'll be using mine for when I start my little seeds, from seedlings. It can be protected outdoors, so I can do more, more space would be out there, and I can just put them there, and then, as the weather changes, I can transplant them out. And just to show you what the texture looks like, it's kind of plasticky but kind of clear like a regular greenhouse. And of course the tips are there that shows you, how to set it up. So of course, after working hard, it's time for our green thumbs to relax. And this right here, wonderful, wonderful, the foot massager. I absolutely love it. Can you tell? So let me go ahead, guys, and show you how it works. This wonderful, and it actually vibrates too. So let's take a look and see. And I'm going to show you how it works. You just have it plugged in, turn it on right here, and your feet start getting a nice massage. You press it one more time, and it brings the heat on, and you can see it showing right there that it's heating up. And so your feet will be properly relaxed. And you also have these here for pressure points on your feet that also help in the healing process of your body. If you know anything about reflexology, then this comes into play here. And these also help in a similar situation. Now, they do recommend that you wear socks with it. If you can see from the picture right here, they don't want you to have shoes on, of course. And they prefer that you have socks on than just being barefooted. So a gift idea like this one here is really nice. It comes with socks that are scented, and this smells so good. It's so soft, plushy, very comfy. And then you have the foot cream. This one is eucalyptus aloe that goes on there. And following on the same trend would be like a foot spa, nice, warm, relaxing, perfect for those tired feet from being out in the yard, doing all of that yard work, in the garden, planting flowers and all of that. Very relaxing, and you can use any brand you like. This is just the one that I have, and I know that they'll love this as well too. So whether it's going to be flowers, that you think will work for them, like bulbs, or just, things that are already potted for them, different types of tools for the garden. I hope that this gave you some great ideas that they'll find very useful. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and check out my Christmas videos that are coming up. They should be fun and wonderful for you. I do thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Take care.